Milo Moonberry, Mischief, a tale of glowing tails, giggle maps, and the magic of understanding Milo. The rainbow monster wakes up in his cloud shaped cottage. His tail glows bright blue. It's truth telling time. But something's wrong. The moonberries are missing from the grove, and the stars won't sparkle without them. Milo packs his backpack with cocoa powder, a giggle map, and his best friend Tumble, the shy sock with a puzzle solving brain. Let's find those berries before bedtime, Milo says, tail flickering with excitement. They bounce through the whispering woods on a laundry basket launch pad. Dottie and Stripe, twin ladybugs, join the quest, giggling all the way. The gang reaches the moonberry grove, but it's empty. A trail of glitter leads to Grumble the troll's cave. He must have taken them, Dottie buzzes. Inside the cave, Grumble isn't growling, he's crying. His sparkle machine is broken, and he was trying to fix it with moonberries. I didn't mean to steal, he sniffles. Milo's tail glows golden. Truth spell time. With cocoa steam, kindness, and teamwork, they repair the sparkle machine. Grumble smiles for the first time in years. The moonberries burst into the sky, and stars twinkle brighter than ever. Milo's tail glows rainbow. Sometimes, the biggest magic is understanding someone else's story. Back at home, Milo brews a cocoa storm and snuggles into bed. Tumble whispers, "Tomorrow, let's build a giggle-powered kite." Milo smiles. Adventure awaits.